In one of the companies, it was a 300 crore setup for replacement automotive parts. Business was growing, it had grown huge, and this supply chain started to have issues in the sense that, of course, supply chain is driven by money. What changed? The person in purchase, he would say that I cannot have anybody pointing finger at me that because the purchase did not happen, our production stalled. The dispatches did not happen. So he would engage with the suppliers, please ensure that this quantity is available. What impact did it have? It had an impact on the cash flow. If in the beginning of the month I get the requirement for the month, I have to pay 1 month in advance. He staggered it. So in the supply chain planning, across the decision makers, across departments, in the process of procure to pay, we are procuring as per a plan and paying to the supplier. The complete process, how do we manage? We define that, okay, we have to do weekly procurement for every supplier, especially the larger quantity ones and the more frequent ones. And with that, we said, okay, even if you supply, forcing them to be in schedule, if you supply third week's quantity in first week, the third week quantity you still get paid in third week. Second, the marketing department would give lots of discounts for end of the month purchase so that the sales would go up to cater to the budget. And for that last week, there would be lots of discounts. So our production department would be worried in the sense that the fourth week is such a high production and the first week is low because it is imbalanced. So across the function, the way the order to cash process, the marketing part was doing, was affecting our purchase process. So we had to do an alignment. What is this? When all the functional heads are working together, same boxes, but in a certain plan, and then they're all growing together. The suppliers got disciplined, the production got disciplined in the sense, I recognize what you need, they recognize what we need across the supply chain, and we are working accordingly. This is the design. And you know what? The leader in the organization, somebody who can distance himself and see where is that problem starting to occur and see across the process. If I lift this small thing, the whole process gets aligned. If I don't lift this thing, it would have an impact across all. Do not attend to that small problem, it grows into a bigger problem. Identify that problem, address it in a design in the very beginning.